Christopher, thanks for joining us. We're at the One-to-One conference in London today. Tell us a little bit about Nova Minerals.
Nova Minerals, we have two key projects, our flagship Estelle Gold project in Alaska, as well as our Thompson Brothers Lithium project in Manitoba, Canada. The Estelle Gold project, as I said, is our flagship. That's a growth story. The Lithium project is a cash flow ready project. The Estelle Gold project, to date, we've defined a 2.5 million ounce inferred resource. We're going to be very active here coming February of 2020, commencing a 25,000 meter drill program to bring the resource, double it up to a 5 million ounce resource, and also prove it up into the higher categories measured and indicated. In addition to that, that's one prospect. We have a 220 square kilometer claim block. So that's the 5 million ounces will be on one prospect. There's plenty of upside as well across the district. We have the RPM prospect where we have a drill hole there. We intend to follow up at 120 meters at 1 gram per ton, as well as our Shoeshine prospect where we have rock chip assays up to 113 grams per ton. So in addition to the core belt where we have the resource, which is an intrusive related gold system, so some of the type deposits for that in the Tintina Gold Belt in Alaska would be the Fort Knox, Kinross's Fort Knox operation, as well as Dublin Gulch, Victoria Gold's operation. So we have similar style geology, the same rocks actually, the same intrusive rocks, Cretaceous age intrusive rocks, which we have there at Corbell. So that's the Estelle Gold project. The Lithium project in Manitoba, Canada is a cash flow ready project. We have a situation there where the Tanko mine, 600 kilometers to the south of us, was just taken over by a Chinese conglomerate called Sinomine. They have a lithium concentrator flotation plant which is on care and maintenance. They recently bought into the project with the intention to restart that and start producing lithium concentrate again to send back to their battery factories in China. Enter the Thompson Brothers Lithium project. It'll be a simple direct shipping ore, so low to no capex for us basically. Put it on the rail line which runs right next to our project and heads straight down to the Tanko mine. We expect $8 to $10 million minimum cash flow just from that project right there, so we're quite excited about that.
And that cash will obviously help you as you progress your gold mine.
Right, that'll pay dividends back to Nova to continue on with our Estelle Gold project. That's the idea.
And what's the purpose of being at One-to-One today? What
was the purpose? Well, we have 2.5 million in the bank, and we have some options coming due next August, and so which are in the money, and that's $12 million. But there's a bit of a gap period. So it's always good to get out and look at our options. We have a bit of funding. We're looking at our options to fund that gap period. But it's just general networking, getting our company on the radar to all the big players. That's why we're here.
And how's the event been?
Excellent, full on, but excellent, very productive, and I think we've made a lot of good contacts that'll take us into the future with these relationships.
Super. Well, Chris, thanks for your time today.
Thank you.